morning, scholars. Today for math, we are going to be figuring out how to divide fractions by mixed numbers. So we've been working on it all this week, and I just wanted to write down the steps so that you have them in a video when you are working on your math on your own at home. So we're going to be working on how to divide a fraction by a mixed number. This is so that you have the steps when you have more of these problems, and you can practice at home, and you'll have a video to go back to, and you'll be able to look at the steps, okay? So we have a problem here, 7 1/2 divided by 5/6, okay? So we have an improper fraction. The improper fraction is 7 1/2. We need to make that into a proper fraction. So our step 1 is change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So we need to change the mixed number to an improper fraction. That's our first step. So in order to do that, we do times, let me do it in red so you can see it, times and plus. So what we're doing is 7 times 2 plus 1. 7 times 2 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. We keep the denominator the same. And then we just bring down the rest of the problem. Okay? If you have 2 mixed numbers, you do the same thing for the second part of the problem. Okay? So that's what we do for step 1. Step 2, we do keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Okay? So now the problem becomes 15 over 2 divided by 5/6. We keep the first fraction, 15 over 2. We change division to multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. So now it's 6/5, 6 over 5, okay? So now we've finished step 2. Step 3, Step 3 is solve and reduce. So you solve and reduce. Simplify, reduce. Okay? So then you get, this becomes 15 times 6, and then you have 2 times 5. You need to solve this because we're going across now. We're going straight across to multiply. 15 times 6, 2 times 5. 15 times 6 is 90. 2 times 5 equals 10. Well, we know these numbers are both even, so we know that we can simplify them. We can divide them both by 10. So if we divide both by 10, what you do to the numerator, you do to the denominator. So 90 divided by 10 equals 9. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. This is our answer in the simplest form right here. So this is our answer in simplest form. So now you have the steps to divide a fraction by a mixed number. If we have two mixed numbers in the problem, then we just do step 1 twice. So we would do the same thing to the second fraction if we had two fractions. And today we are going to be having two mixed numbers in our math problems. So you will need to do step 1 twice. Okay, boys, I'm very proud of you. You guys are working really hard. Keep working hard, and we are going to keep at it. We're going to make this happen. We're going to do this. Rock on, scholars.